So we have SK Abu SAQUEEB, and you'll be presenting on enhancing knowledge management with Google Notebook LM, right? So over to
Yes.
you and your use case and presentation. Yeah.
Uh, Respected jury members, Ratnagiri sir and ma'am, all my co-panelists and all the wonderful audience who are watching this. First of all, I'd like to express my deep gratitude to ICAI AI team for giving me this wonderful opportunity to address here. And let me quickly share my screen. So the topic today I am here going to discuss is enhancing knowledge management with Google Notebook LM. And yes, so before I'm going to proceed further, there is a little bit of disclaimer that I have, with the help of this AI tools such as ChatGPT and Gemini, I have tried to made this presentation and got this data. So I have made sure that every effort has been made to ensure that accuracy has been maintained, but maybe there are some minor spelling or formatting error here and there. So the substance of the content should not affect with those particular thing. So that's a disclaimer. And yes, as a practicing chartered accountant, and especially when you are dealing with your team members, your article, your uh, client, and all those necessary input coming in from the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India, so many circulars from CBDT, GSTN, and all those stuff keep on coming in and keep on like piling up with your database gets up like daily some notification, some circular is coming. So it is very difficult for you to keep yourself updated. Uh, and one more thing you can see here is we can always rely on this particular AI powered system, which is called Google Notebook LM. And I'm going to show the very basic feature of the Google Notebook LM, which generally those who know how to use it, they generally use it, but public at large should be encouraged to use it because there is a lot to get from that particular thing. And I'll share one difference between the hello, somebody is clicking the picture. So yeah, make sure that you click a good picture. Anyways, yeah. So coming back to the point, I
Don't
was
worry, we
mentioning.
can use AI for that. Okay, don't worry.
Sir, so sir, you are talking about nano banana. Okay,
Nano
sir,
banana is there.
sir, coming back to this
But
particular topic, sir.
sorry to interrupt. You are keeping your books like this, boss. Or you are keeping like this accounting standards. Okay?
Not exactly, sir. Sir, this is the point actually I am trying to make here is I'm especially you see, sir, most of the practicing chartered accountant firms, and this can be you know very well this can be used for the students and those teachers and all the section of the life it can be used. But I categorically want the practicing chartered accountant people who are flooded with this accounting standard, manuals, GST, circular, and everything. So what you see, client also sending us me emails and PDFs and some data on Excel sheet and Words. So everything is getting piled up and say they want also some answer on a regular basis. Sir, ये वाला change हो गया तो आप हमको बताए नहीं sir वो what is that particular thing. So we have to keep updating ourselves. First, update yourself. Then you train your staff. You train your article and you intimate your what we say client also. So generally what happen is it's a time and again process what is going on. And on the basic level of use of notebook LM we can solve it at to large extent. As you can see this from this particular photo that I'm reading it and rereading it from the client, and I'm not sure whether I have missed any update or not. So let me, sir, is my screen visible? Sir, is it visible?
Yes, yes, visible.
So, so what I can do is I can always go to Google Notebook LM and yes, try Notebook LM, and there is one disclaimer there. You can see here, I have already few of my notebooks prepared to demonstrate. I can demonstrate from here few things. And also, initially, you can go to the create notebook, and when you start creating this notebook, you see there are file type PDF and TXT form, markdown, and audio form. So all those resources and maximum from 50 different type of data can be fed into this particular LM. And once you put this data into this particular LM, then you can see the magic.
Entire, wait,
Sir, I
entire
can't.
screen is
We
not
can't see your
visible.
screen.
Yeah, we
Sir,
cannot see. We just see the page of today's reality. Your entire screen is not visible.
Rishi is there. Are the people are allowed to
so,
show the entire screen or only the current screen? I think
so,
another person was having the same problem, right?
so let me stop and reshare once again. And
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Share your
Any
entire
issue?
screen.
sir, is it visible now?
Any issue, sir? Ratnagiri
Even
sir,
though
Preeti ma'am?
Yes,
no,
yes.
even though you can't
Now,
share the entire screen. People are not able to share the entire screen, sir. Rishi sir.
I'm not sure about that, sir, but is it visible right now?
I have
As of now, we can
made
see
you a
your
co-host
browser.
now. You check now. Abuji, you have made a co-host now. You can check now.
So close and open, sir.
Sharing,
Please stop sharing and then share.
yes, and yes. So is it
Even
fine?
now, we can see only your part of screen. Anyway, so
No, but I am able to see his full screen.
okay. Riddhi, can you confirm?
yeah, now I'm able to see the
Sir,
full screen. Notebook LM is visible, and I think this is the full screen.
Yeah, notebook LM is visible.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
so shall we proceed, sir? Sir, actually,
Yes, sir. Yes,
I
sir.
just
Please, please.
I just want to mention that there might be some technical glitch here, because when Mr. Ask Mohammed was presenting here, it was not visible, but at that same time, I checked his videos on YouTube link, and it was clearly visible there. So it was visible there, but it was not visible here. I'm not sure about what is going on. So I think we need some AI
In the
assistance
panel, it is
regarding.
not coming. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No problem,
Maybe,
sir. You please, sir.
maybe, sir, some AI assistance is required for that particular matter to solve, to be solved also. As coming back to the topic, sir, and sir, as I have opened this particular notebook, and I can show you that you see the supported type of file. I can drop down PDF and TXT and Markdown and audio files from different various sources. And after putting it to the sources, the magic will happen. Sir, what happens generally is you see the new Income Tax Act 2025 has come in. And it's a very long new act, and it is completely, it's not practically possible for each and every individual who's a professional to go from the start to end. And same happened with, sir, recently what happened is, sir, the GST rate changes, that notification has come like 22nd of this September. The GST rate will be changed, and so many council has actually issued a press release. Council has issued a FAQs, and PIB has also issued a press release. So what I did was, sir, com- I got those three datas and put it here. And once I put it here, and after that, you see, sir, on my right side, actually, there are some magic tab is there. And if I want to convert this particular, sir, there is PDF file actually I have uploaded. I can upload the TXT file also, and also I can upload some YouTube link videos also here. So once I upload up to maximum 50, and then I come here, it can do some wonderful magic to me. So, sir, you see audio overview. If I press to this audio overview, what will happen, sir? It will create some audio for me, and for video overview, it will create some video for me. And sir, I'll show you regarding this particular thing. And let me come to the income tax thing. Once actually I have already, sir, there is a mind map. You see, once I click actually to the mind map, it has started generating the mind map, and it will take some time. And sir, already I have actually like You see, sir, this is the mind map I created of Income Tax Act. You see, sir, all those income from salary, income from house property, PGBP, capital gain, everything is there, sir. And if I want to get into the details of the PGBP, sir, I click to the PGBP and it will again get open to all those sections. And if I want to get into the detail of any particular section, sir, if let's say for that matter for capital gain, I want to get into the details of the capital gain, I can simply click here. And regarding the cost of improvement or exemptions, if I click here, so sir, my point here is I can also download this. So it will give me a very lovely mind map which can be useful to shorten my things. And also, sir, there is audio overview. If I need, I can do this audio overview. I have actually downloaded because, sir, the problem with this particular site is it requires certain amount of time limit to get download. So I have already downloaded, and let me, sir, play this audio. Sir, I think as I am discussing here in the Zoom, might be some glitches here. So, sir, the point what I am trying to mention here is I can actually make a summary of this particular entire thing, and it will give me a audio of various languages, sir, be it Hindi, Gujarati, or your regional language. It will give you the audio of this particular file of. If you want to make a short audio, it will give you a short audio. If you want to make a long audio, so what you can do is while you are driving in your car, you can always turn on this particular audio file and you can get the gist of it, the files that you have already uploaded. And same with the same goes with the video, sir. Also, once you have actually clicked here in the video will be actually created. It will take some time to create this video, and they'll give you a good 6 to 8 minutes of summary video. You can see and use it. If you want to present your case somewhere, you can use those videos, sir. That comes very handy. And at the same time, sir, you can see here FAQ is there, study guide is there, and briefing the document is there. If I click to anything, sir, it will generate
Abuji, last 2 minutes.
Yes, sir. Sir, so once if I click to the FAQ, it will give me all those list of the questionnaires, question answer to be with respect to this particular topic. And it can actually make a study guide. And also, if I want a briefing of the document, it can do that to me also. So what point I am trying to make here is coming back to my presentation slide, sir. So, sir, Google Notebook LM actually helps me actually getting my desired result, achieving my data in minutes, which could have otherwise taken hours to do while be it uploading those data and converting those things into audio, video, or making mind maps or making question and answer. And it can be used as a very useful tool at various parts of the life, be it for a student, be it for a teacher, be it for a presenter, be it for a practicing chartered accountant or any other person. And sir, as you can see, sir, faster comprehension will be there. All things will be structured or in a summary manner. And you can also give a very quick training to your junior. Also, you can collaborate the firm knowledge base to this particular data. And yes, sir. So my honest suggestion will be to start experimenting. All those people who have not adapted to the artificial intelligence, at least try to start your experimentation with this notebook LM for this tax audit and advisory purpose. And yes, as only CA relevant, but a CA with artificial intelligence is much more relevant, what I feel. So that's it from my end. I'll be happy to take any questions. Thank you very much.
So thank you, Abu. I think you will be getting a call from Sundar Pichai. So you have given a wonderful advertisement. Okay, I hope so.
Sir.
So my question is coming like this. Okay. So in this level, you are telling about notebook LLM. That's very nice. Various features you have told. Suppose you are winning this hackathon first level, then next level, what are you going to tell?
Sir, actually, couple of things I have already in my mind. As Revati ji, what she discussed regarding
If it
NLP
is a
and all.
suspense, not tell. Otherwise, you can tell. Okay. Yes.
Yeah, that. So that on that particular thing, I have something I can do. And yes, sir,
Okay.
this is a very basic level, and my idea is to I could have gone for a very specific audience section where to I could have presented a very specific case with respect to particular thing. But my intention at the level one was to address to the larger section of people who have not adapted with the artificial intelligence. If they can actually collect those basic information and start adapting, because sir, with all due respect, sir, you know very well at like you are very young. I don't mean to offend you, but sir, our senior chartered accountants have not been very much capable of adapting with this particular thing. But while they are addressing those very big clients, and they are always being reliable on their juniors and everything, and these are very basic thing. Actually, they also can adapt and they can implement and use it on a very daily case to solve a very minimum problem. My intention for
Okay.
this level one to do that thing.
Okay. Thank you. Over to Riddhi.
Thank you.
Okay. Nice presentation on use of Notebook LM. I have one question. You can have like how many languages here, and suppose, for instance, there are multiple nodes. You can place multiple nodes. Now there is one query. If there are two audit nodes, one it says vendors advance are to be treated as short-term loans. Other says it has to be treated as prepaid expenses. Now there is a contradiction in two of your nodes. Now, how will you rely on Notebook LM and its answers?
With due respect, ma'am, how I use this particular thing is that I don't rely on this particular notebook LM, but I take the help of notebook LM. I want him to give me his views and opinions, and also then I re-verify it if required from various source, and then take my final call because of the limitation of the artificial intelligence. So it is always I can take a help of LM, but the decision will be mine at last.
Yeah, that's what my point is. Before signing off any kind of financials, you'll have to check
Absolutely,
the contradictions. Okay, okay. Thank you so much for your
thank you.
nice presentation. Yeah.